Hello everyone! Today I will show you how to use Canva to create a collage of images. What's interesting about Canva is that you can get verified to get Canva for education for free. School service centers can have their domain name verified for their whole staff all at once. So today, we'll use Canva to create a collage of images, and we'll do so by first going to canva.com and signing in with our professional email. I will pick one of the templates here. I would suggest that you use the flyer one for this specific task. So once I have my flyer, I see there are already many different models available. I'll choose this one because I like the background of it. You could start also with a blank template if you wanted to. So today I will do a collage to recreate the story of the wolf and the little pigs. So that will be my task for today. So basically, the tools that I want to use are on the left hand side, the elements, the text. Basically, they're the two ones, the ones that will be the most useful for this tool. So if I click on element, I can go and search the element that I want to include. So first of all, the wolf. I can decide to put pictures in here or graphics. I like graphics for the task on end. So I click on see all, and I will pick a nice little wolf for my story. So I have my wolf, it looks like he's blowing on a house, so I'll write house, still in graphics. Maybe this one looks like the wooden house, doesn't it? So I'll click on the house, I can come and place it. You can see the wolf is now behind the house, so what I want to do is click on my wolf, and if you right click on your mouse, you will see layer, and you want to bring your wolf forward. There you go. I'll make my house a bit bigger. Maybe I want to include a bit of wind, so I'll put maybe this one here. I'm not sure. This is a bit difficult to see. This one better. Here I have a little tool to help me rotate my images. For my story, I'm missing a pig or 3 pigs. Well, I'll start with 1. I think this one fits with the design, so I'll put the little pig here. If I wanted to have 3, I could choose another one, or I could do Control-C, Control-V to duplicate my little pigs. I have 3 little pigs, like this. If I want to add the text box, I can click on text, add an empty box, or I can come here for different fonts that are ready to use. So I'll click this one here and I'll write the title. I'll ungroup the text because there were 2 text boxes grouped together, which made it difficult for me to get to the second text box. So I'll remove it, I'll ungroup it. So help. This is not as good as I wanted it to be, so I'll go in my fonts here, get another one that's way too big, so I can come and resize it here and change the color if I wanted to. There you go. So when I'm ready to send my collage to my teacher, I can click on share. I can send it as an assignment. If my teacher created the assignment in Canva, I can send it to Google Classroom, to Microsoft Teams, or create a link to my design, or I can download it right here on my computer. So I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you.